Welcome back to GoosieGoosie, and today we've got MrBeast. Make your own MrBeast. Let's get started. Mix, fill, and create. I'm very excited to do this. Unique goo fillings and stretches up to 3 times its own size. Let's open it. Feastable things you can put inside the goo. Green goo that you put inside of it to give it the color. There's little monies that you can put inside of MrBeast. There is MrBeast. He's so sad. He doesn't have anything inside of him. Don't worry, we'll fix that. It's supposed to be a pump. I can feel the air. Instructions. That does want me to unscrew his head, so you just unscrew the lid. Unscrewed. Blue thing. Oh yeah. Oops. Connect his head to this. Yep, it's connected. Just tear it open. Money inside of it. I'm rich! To put it inside of him. The Feastable bag. Oh, these are plastic, not rubber. And it wants us to put it in. To screw this back on. It wants us to shake it for 5 seconds. To pour the mysterious goo inside of it. We've got to get water to fill it up to the fill line. So let's push the handle down and we will create our MrBeast. He's filling up. We have to unscrew. We have to put this cap on. Screw his head back on. Guys, we made our MrBeast. He's green and filled up with Feastables and money. I'm rich. I'm rich. That'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time with GoosieGoosie.